So here we are on another hike, trying to pick our way up. Me in flip-flops, yeah. Going up this really rocky, schisty landscape covered in cacti, but the view is quite spectacular. And we're trying to work out our next pathway up this slope here. There are like some basic paths which have been cut into the face, but it's still a bit daunting. The view is quite special. Yeah.
You can see the clouds coming and covering the color.
It's a great view over the beach as well. It looks absolutely beautiful, especially when the clouds disappear. You get to see how like green the water is. Beautiful. So we've came all the way up hiked all the way up from down there. Actually, we walked all the way along there, found a way up, got onto this flattish plateau bit. There's the town over there. Yeah, I can see it. These are treacherous and they go right through your shoes. There's even bits like scattered everywhere that you can't see. And I've had some that were like right through, haven't I? And we're looking at this. It looks very interesting, but we think it's getting very dense. All of the undergrowth, it's going to look like this. So we're probably going to go just to there, have a look to see whether we can find a way up. But still, the view, that's where we were last night, just around that, just down there on that little feature there. And you can see all the, looks like salty lagoons. And this is the town. What's this town called? Do you know? What's it called?
Juan Griego.
Juan Diego.
Juan.
Mm-hmm.
It's a name.
Yeah,
Juan. It's a name. Juan Griego.
Griego. You're very good at that. Say it again.
Juan Griego.
Oh yeah. If you had whales passing through here, you do in the Caribbean and the Dominican and things like that, this would be a great place to watch them. Especially when there's no cloud, because you can just see such clarity through the water depth. There we go, point proven. See that one in there?
Oh, fuck.
Don't snap it. Well, that looks like it's the end of the hike, because it, as we suspected, it's got way too dense. and there isn't really any even informal pathways up through, and it's going to get even denser with cactus and thorny scrub to get to the top of this hill, but we've got pretty much as high as we can. What a beautiful hike, just up from. Yeah, no, I think there might be something, but it's just as we get further up, it's going to get. You can see the scrub is just even denser. Like up there, see how high the bushes are? They're even higher than the cactus, you know. And there's no way up. Right, we haven't pussied it. That's the main thing. So we're going to pick our way back down, and then I'll do a video of us on the bottom so we can have some perspective about how close we got to the top. But it's still been a really, really beautiful walk up here. Just a shame we couldn't get to the top.
You can, but it's very...
Yeah, no, not like dressed like this. Okay, well, someone's been here obviously. With a little heart. So if you're watching this will be going on YouTube. Well, what? If you're watching this will be going on YouTube. That's a tautology. So we're going to try and find a shortcut back down, because picking our way back through there is going to be, yeah, that way down onto the road looks better. Right, okay.
There is a nice path, see? Like
On where?
like on this hill. See a path through the bushes?
No, not really.
Like straight here.
Oh yeah, I can see it. God, it's so windy. Right, okay, signing off for now. Well, that was quite a hike down. Oh, exhausting. So many thorns through the feet. Thankfully I can't even remember which one it was we were trying to get to now, because it looks really different.
We were coming from this one.
Was it that one though? Because it looked round on the top. Or was it that one? It was that one, wasn't
No, not the little one. The highest one.
The highest one, yeah, okay. But it looks so different when you're up on the top to what it looks like down here. But so there's the beach, and I'm going to have a swim. And there's a little picture of Maduro Presidente. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good little hike. That's
Not
too
so tiring.
not so tiring, but the way up was beautiful.
Yeah.
I love the way up. Really nice views. Anyway, right, time to get some refreshment.